Today's book in a minute is the book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The first concept Napoleon Hill suggests in this book is thoughts are things. We must manage and direct our thought impulses to attain our desires and riches. Think and Grow Rich book proposes 13 principles for success. 1. Desire. You must have a burning desire, not just a wish or hope. 2. Faith. You must have faith in the attainment of desire. You can use affirmations and visualizations for this. 3. Autosuggestion. Repeatedly self-suggest, using all your 5 senses, until your mind accepts your desire as a fact. 4. Specialized knowledge. Identify and acquire knowledge of the specific product, service, or niche you intend to serve. 5. Imagination. Give shape, form, and action to desire, using synthetic imagination to combine specialized knowledge with ideas. 6. Organized planning. Keep creating plans with the help of a mastermind group until your plan works. 7. Decision. Make decisions with a definite purpose and stand behind them with strong desire and faith. Successful and wealthy people have one thing in common: the habit of reaching decisions promptly, and of changing these decisions slowly, if and when they were changed. 8. Persistence. To build persistence, strengthen your desire, definiteness of purpose, plans, and positive influences. 9. Mastermind. Convert knowledge to power by assembling it into plans and taking action with the help of a mastermind group. 10. Sex transmutation. Sex is the most potent mind stimuli. Redirect that energy from physical expression to the attainment of your desires. 11. Subconscious mind. This is the link between your finite mind and infinite intelligence. Plant in it any planned thought or purpose with positive emotions. 12. Brain. The brain is a broadcasting station of thought vibrations. The subconscious mind sends thoughts with feelings, and creative imagination receives inspiration and hunches. 13. Sixth sense. Access infinite intelligence effortlessly after mastering principles 1 to 12. Those are the 13 principles for success proposed by Napoleon Hill. We will be coming up with part 2 of Think and Grow Rich with some more insights. If you like this video, please share your thoughts in the comments section. Never miss any videos from us. Click on the link in the description and install the Learn to Live Fully app on your mobile and desktop to get notifications regarding new video upload. Thank you. Let's learn to live fully. Learn to Live Fully is focused on educating you on the immense power each of you has within. We provide several techniques, methods, and wisdom that help you to live your life to your full potential. As our primary focus is on personal growth, we provide online courses, ebooks, videos, and blogs that help you learn to live fully. Please do check out our online store at http://learntolivefully.com/shop/ and order online courses, ebooks that help you to learn to live your life to your full potential. All our products are available at a discounted and affordable price right now. Please do find the link to Learn to Live Fully online store in the description below. Order now.